1981 s'est achevé héros le que ma héros est resté et modé. From the very first moment this 1981, Chevrolet Camaro Restomod appears on screen. The presence of automotive passion and craftsmanship is unmistakable. This is not just a classic muscle car. It is a modern masterpiece born from a rotisserie restoration, a process that strips the vehicle down to its bare structure and rebuilds it to perfection from the ground up. Every panel, weld, and contour is restored or replaced with a level of precision that reflects both reverence for heritage and pursuit of performance. When the camera sweeps across the gleaming chassis and flawless body lines, viewers instantly understand that this Camaro is more than a vehicle. It is a living legend reimagined for a new era. The exterior paint shimmers with depth under the show lights, often seen in a rich, glossy finish that accentuates the Camaro's classic lines and aggressive stance. The restoration work reveals balanced, museum-quality panel alignment and a flawless surface. Unlike a simple repaint, the rotisserie process ensures that even hidden areas, from the underbody to the inner wheel wells, are treated with care and finished to a high standard. Viewed head-on, the 1981 Camaro carries an intense gaze. Sleek aerodynamic styling softly curved from hood to roof. Distinctive body flare over each wheel arch. And a prow that commands attention. Masterful chrome trim and reflective accents contrast seamlessly with a deep body color. The front grille is crisp, the bumpers polished, and all stainless or bright finish components radiate clarity that catches light like diamonds. The Camaro emblem sits proudly, its architectural essence underscored by a level of restoration often seen only in professional conquer vehicles. Engine, heart of a beast. Peel back the hood and the real soul of this Restomod is exposed. A built 383 cubic inch stroker V8, this engine is not simply rebuilt, it's reimagined. Engineers and builders expanded the displacement beyond the typical small block dimensions to create a stroker configuration, drawing more air and fuel into every revolution and extracting vastly more power and torque than the original design. This 383 CI stroker is equipped with performance internals such as forged pistons, optimized rod ratios, and balanced rotating assembly, giving it both responsiveness and reliability. Fuel delivery upgrades ensure that this big iron breathes easily under all conditions. In many Restomods of this caliber, carefully chosen components such as high-flow aluminum intakes, large-bore carburetors or modern throttle bodies, performance fuel pumps, and optimized ignition systems work in harmony. The result is a broad, powerful torque curve that gives this Camaro a feeling of effortless acceleration from idle to highway speeds. Complementing the engine is the trusted 700R4 overdrive automatic transmission, a workhorse that brings grace to a seemingly unruly powerhouse.